Hello everyone, my name is Anan Tiflo. Hey, in the Wednesday, a very sad day. In the Wednesday, a very sad day. Oh yeah, we are bringing money and today. A helicopter free Accra to Obuasi. Military for the one signals be when yeah helicopter and signals no on code through binary. Like odd man them now. Like why am she say Obiani she like what's going on? Now one of all them helicopters no like when big men say NDC for one big men one ministers but she say I need to confirm it there helicopter no will crash. How? Or a very sad defense minister and environment minister. Last week here that the lumba on we then Wednesday defense minister and environment minister. How? Chief of staff for the press release about Omayentebi.
Around the Adansi area in Ashanti region. Government regrets to announce the demise of the following persons in the tragic crash. Dr. Edward Kofi OMANE BOAMAH, Minister for Defense. Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Mutala Mohammed, MP, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Lemonad, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator and former Minister for Food and Agriculture. Dr. Samuel Sapon, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress, and Mr. Samuel Abuaji, a former parliamentary candidate. Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Manin Chum Ampedu, and Sergeant Ernest Ado Mensah. And government extends our condolences and sympathies to the families of our comrades and the servicemen who died in service to the country. All flags are to fly at half-mast until further notice. Thank you.
So according to the press statement, one and all playing mono, why 5? When the ministers near 2. Muntala Mohammed na OMANE BOAMAH. How? Very sad. So if we get them put a crowd there to jumaba. A quick share short to them. Quick 2 months and which I'm beefy. Woman de bene here bono would the woman but sometimes say like it be happy now. Like very sad. Those are the people who dig in a name will move Ghana to somewhere. That's what happened. Them are very sad. Or very sad to Ghanaians. Anka minimum day be a Ghana you rules no ye but anka I never knew they be a yan you so your fault or now like plane so it's not like ordinary plane or a military for one helicopter. Oh, how? And this is the time over there. I saw for prophetess all Ghana in our boom. We pray to Ghana because how? Daddy Lumba Benedi like you're finishing on. What happened to Minister C? It been pana like where they are going on with Ghana and betterment. It been for Ghana or any year, but what happened to one? What happened? A very sad story. Me saw there be share a jama for share my win so here been share. Selection on YouTube and me saw there subscribe. Let's see a new update be tomorrow. It once I can actually. Selection on TikTok and me saw there a be follow. Na leave a comment or comment section. Omo you feed there like a video. Na share them on your small way. That's it.